Happy Monday, everybody. Hey, friends, it's Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Welcome back to Macro Monday, where we break down the macros that matter the most. Today's lesson: fat is a lever, not a goal. One of the biggest myths in keto is that you have to eat a massive amount of fat just to hit your macros. People hear high fat diet and think fat should always be the target. But here's the truth: fat is the lever you adjust based on your goals. Now, if you happen to have epilepsy, then fat is the goal. But let's break it down for most people. Protein is your anchor. That never changes. It's the essential macro for muscle repair, enzymes, and hormones and satiety. You protect protein no matter what phase you're in. Carbs stay low. That keeps insulin down and fat burning turned on. Fat moves. That's the lever. And if you're trying to lose body fat, you don't want to drown every meal in added fat. Your body already has plenty stored. It just needs the signal to use it. So keep protein steady, carbs low, and let fat flex down a bit so your body taps into the reserves. If you're in maintenance or you need more energy, you're doing something very physical that day, then you pull the lever up, add butter, fattier cuts, more whole food fats. That keeps you fueled and satisfied. So think of fat like the dimmer switch on a light. Protein is the bulb, carbs is the wiring, but fat is the knob you turn depending on how bright you need the room. So I have a quick story for you. I worked with a woman who was very frustrated. She was eating keto fat bombs daily to hit her macros, just so she could say she hit the macros. She was hitting the fat goals but not losing fat. We shifted her focus: protein first, carbs low, fat to satiety, not to a number. 2 weeks later, she messaged me, "I'm finally losing again, and I'm not hungry." I hear this all the time. So here is your Macro Monday mantra: protein is the anchor, fat is the lever. Stop treating fat like a goal and start using it strategically. If this helped, hit the like and share it with a friend who's confused about their keto macros, or carnivore macros for that matter, and tell me in the comments, have you been eating fat as a goal or as a lever? And if you want a full step-by-step guide to get your macros right, grab my ebook, Keto Made Simple. It's linked below. I'll see you tomorrow for Truth Bomb Tuesday.